Today we will learn how to create hidden Veracrypt container in Android phone. For this, we will use EDS app. How Veracrypt hidden container works. As you can see in the picture, where a container has two headers, one is for standard volume and another one is for hidden volume. So when we provide password to decrypt our container, Veracrypt first tries to decrypt standard volume. Now if it is unable to decrypt that volume, then it tries that password on header 2, and if password is correct, then it will be decrypted. No one can tell if Veracrypt container has hidden volume, because Veracrypt always approaches in the same way to unlock standard container too. Well, here I'm gonna break down each and every step we are going to do in this video. First step, we create simple Veracrypt container. Second, we move some data inside that container. In third step, we make hidden Veracrypt container inside that container. Now, this will be our primary storage to store our data. Open EDS app. Click on Manage Container. Create new container and change it to Veracrypt. Select path and name it whatever you like. Add container password. Enter the size of container. Select encryption and hash algorithm. I go with default algorithm. You can choose fill free space with random data if you want. If you choose yes, then differences between the size of standard and hidden container can't be known. Step 1 is completed. We have created a simple Veracrypt container. Now we will open it and copy some data inside a folder. Now close this container. Step 3, again, click on Create New Container and set it as Veracrypt. Now this is very important step. We have to choose our container created in step 1. After selecting, you can see Create Hidden Container, tap it on, and provide the password of this container. Password we set in step 1. Now, this password is your hidden container password and must be different than in step 1. Check container size. When creating a hidden volume, it may be very difficult to set the size of the hidden volume. Don't worry, the volume creation wizard automatically scans the available space, the maximum possible size of the hidden volume. Yes, one more thing, if you want to use standard volume too, then save space for that. Here I save 22 MB space for standard volume. Now, everything is done. Created hidden container successfully. Let's test it. I opened my standard container using password from step 1. This time, I'll enter my hidden container password. Let's copy some data here. Then I'll tell you how to check storage space of standard and hidden container. To check the storage of any kind of container, first decrypt it using password, then, in the drawer, long press on the vault name, get the details now. There are many settings. You can check your total space, available free space, you can change content password, you can enable remember password, so that you don't have to enter the password again and again, you can even enable pattern password and unlock with fingerprint. Opening my standard vault. This app is available on Android Play Store, free version and paid version. EDS Lite is open source app, pro version is used in this tutorial. Press the like button if you find this video useful. Don't forget to watch how to get Office Suite Pro version for free.